For today's nail art, we are going to do a tropical design. I'm starting off with my nails polished Love from Pure Ice, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. For my background, I'll be using UberChic stamping plate Lovely Leaves 2, and the color I'm using is Manatee from Kaleidoscope. Once my background is complete, I'm going to start stamping some white hibiscus on my nails, and the stamping plate I'm using is Summer 2 from Lina. Remove the liquid latex and finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.